do a song today. What makes it really special is I'm in our Storytime room today. Wow! But what makes it even more special is you get to sing along with me. And you may not even know the lyrics of this song, but that's okay because there's lots of animal sounds that you get to help me make. The more sounds, the merrier. The louder it is, the better. And this one's called I Got Me a Cat. Are you ready? I'm ready. I got me a cat, and my cat pleased me. And I fed my cat under yonder tree. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, I got me a dog, and my dog pleased me. And I fed my dog under yonder tree. And my dog said, roof, roof. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, I got me a rooster, and my rooster pleased me. And I fed my rooster under yonder tree. Better get its food up there. And the rooster said, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog said, roof, roof. And the cat sang fiddle-I-fee. What other animals do you think I should bring out? Maybe you're right. I got me a cow, and my cow pleased me. And I fed my cow under yonder tree. And the cow said, moo, moo. And the rooster said, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog said, roof, roof. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, I got me a, what do you think that is? Horse, of course. Well, I got me a horse, and my horse pleased me. And I fed my horse under yonder tree. And my horse said, neigh, neigh. And the cow said, moo, moo. And the rooster said, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog said, roof, roof. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, I got me, I think that might be a donkey. You're right. Got me a donkey, and my donkey pleased me, and I fed my donkey under yonder tree. And my donkey said, yee-haw, and the horse said, neigh, neigh, and the cow said, moo, moo, and the rooster said, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog said, roof, roof, and my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. You think I should stop? You think there's enough animals? No way. I got me a elephant. I got me an elephant. I did. And my elephant pleased me. And I better set that so you guys can see it. And I fed my elephant under yonder tree. And my elephant said, and the horse said, neigh, neigh. And the donkey said, hee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. And the rooster said, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog said, roof, roof. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, I got me a what? A monkey. I got me a monkey, and my monkey pleased me. And I fed my monkey up in yonder tree. And the monkey went, yee, and the elephant went, meh, and the donkey went, hee-haw, and the horse went, neigh, neigh, and the cow went, moo, moo, and the rooster went, cock-a-doodle-doo, and the dog went, roof, roof, and my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. Well, all those animals, my last little critter got me a fly. I don't know if my fly pleased me, but I fed my fly under yonder tree. And the fly said, buzz, buzz. And the monkey went, yee, yee. And the elephant went, yeah. And the donkey went, yee-haw. And the horse went, and the cow went, moo, moo. And the rooster went, cock-a-doodle-doo. And the dog went, roof, roof. And my cat sang fiddle-I-fee. It was so nice to have you around today to sing songs to. I look forward to seeing you back at the library sometime soon. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you. Bye.